Flexible payment design, new flexible payment, 18 million. I'm gonna be writing my notes in my iPad. So it's 18 million. Well, I guess we'll go ahead and get started over here to make it quicker. So our CR for the modified, we're gonna have it as 0 because the equation doesn't have a value for this one. And then for PT, what does it say? A new flexible is built on the interstate highway, passing downtown to. Okay, so then major highways are PT, and it's 18 million, so then it's 18. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think it's 2.5. And then the resilient modulus is 5,000 psi. And then E2 we would have 30,000. 30,000 psi. E3 would be 10,000 psi. Yes. And then our A1 0.42. And our M2, it says here, user availability of 91. Mediation, no. Both base and sub-base material exhibit good drainage. But then what is this here? The properties material placed in typical structural component receiving base, both base and sub-base, the reliability into. So then we're gonna go back to our table 11.20, and then it says it has good drainage, but then it says Houston. So I am assuming, not assuming, but in Houston it's mainly humidity. So then we go to our table 11.20, and then good drainage for 1 day, and then it says it is 50. So good 1 day greater than 25, it's 1. Okay, so then we're gonna do our solver for this one, or modified, and then 50,000, we already have it here. 4.97. Okay. So then we're now gonna solve for D1. So then we're gonna use the 30,000 psi, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the solver for this. 2.56. Sorry, D1. What were our options? 8, 8, 7. Okay, let's see. What if we have 8? Okay, that's a little too high. So then we can do 7.5. Why wouldn't it 7.5? No. What happened? Oh. Solve 2.5. That's way too high. 10.5. 6. Okay, we'll do 6. And then we're gonna go ahead and do our 10,000. And then solve for that one as well. N is 3.9, so then we're gonna go ahead and go. And we have done, let's try 7. Maybe we can go a little bit higher. 0.25, 7.50, 3.9, 8, 8.5. Anything like that? Okay, maybe 10. Oh, perfect. Okay, and then we're gonna do our 5,000 again. And then we do solver. And then our SN is 4.97. So then we stayed at 10. We can try again. 4.97, 10.25. Since we are doing 1/4 counting. 10.25, 10.50. I can do 11.25. 11.50. What do we do? 12. Okay. Let's try 12.5. 13. Almost there. 13.20. Oh, 13.50. Okay, what about 14? 14.5. Okay, I think we can still do maybe one more. 15. And then what do we do? 15.25. Okay, we'll do 15.25. So then I'll go ahead and write it here. Modified. Oh, So we have 6, 10, 15.25. Okay, and then we're gonna do our final, which in our final, we have to put in our values here. Let me just check. 15, 18. Ah, oh my gosh, I did the solver wrong. It's 18. 5 points. Oh, please, 16, 16.25. 17.25. Okay, and then this was 10,000 PSI, so then we're gonna have to do our solver for this. 18, solve, okay, 4, so then that's a lot. It came to 8, 4.81, 7.50. Okay, let's do 5. 3, 2, 2.25. Okay, I'm gonna leave it as that. And then the first one was 30,000 PSI. 2 point. Okay, so then have 5 minutes. 4, 3, 2.50, 2.50, 3.25. Okay, so then 2.50 is the closest we'll get. So then these are modified ones. 2.5, 2.25, 17.25. Okay, now we're gonna do our final, and I'll try to rush because I only have 4 minutes. So then we have our 91 reliability. So then for 91, we're gonna have to go to table 11.15. I don't think I have table 11.15. Oh no. But then standard deviation is gonna be 0.35. 11.15. Eleven point 15. Oh, I had the tables, but I don't have them here. And my book is not loading anymore. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and then delete these values and point, what is it? 91%. Oh, I'm gonna try to log in. I'm logging in my textbook. Okay, I got it. So 91, we're gonna do negative 1.340. And then we are gonna solve for our first one. So then solver 18 solve is in D1 is in. So then we're gonna try to do it 3. Okay, so then 4, we're gonna do 7.25. Okay, that's as good as that one's gonna get, and then we're gonna do 10. I'm almost done. And then we're gonna do a solver. And then 4.7, so then we're gonna do 9, 10, 14.20, 14, 13.50,